How's she been licking?
Why are you smart?
There we go. There we go. There we go. Roxy's got it now.
See, Roxy's not as smart. She doesn't actually do it. Oh. Actually is. Why do you just like blink like tongue out? And then when you go for it, it's like.
Oh, now Roxy's just gonna. Roxy figures out a way though to get
I
it.
know.
Caution, you
Caution.
almost got it. There you go.
Why
Work
isn't she
that
just do it?
tongue.
She normally just she's licked her mouth like all over before. She
Roxy's
can. I
still
know
really
she
going.
can reach it.
Roxy's still
Aw,
waiting.
she
Don't
sat
wait
down,
till
laid
she
down.
gets
I don't know
the
why
peanut
she
butter.
doesn't.
Wait till she gets the peanut butter, Ella.
Gosh, she just did it. You can do this so easily. Why didn't you do that in the first place?
Because she's trying. But Ella, don't right now. Let her try and get the peanut butter
Get her
off
again.
first.
Put it on the phone.
Wait, what's... Look, gosh, she's just like, you people are so... You people are crazy.
Well, maybe if you just licked it off of your nose instead of licking the air.
Ella, let her keep trying
Should
to
she
get
just
the
take